Hi everyone. The CAT is over. It's 22nd of November 2014. Some quick things which I want to discuss. I'm just coming out of my CAT. I'm Rahul from CET King. How day number one was slightly different than day number two. A thumb rule which CAT always follows year on year is that day number one and day number two, the slot wise, they're always different. They're not the same. The difference factor. Let's talk about it. Number one, the quant section. If you see the quant section per se on day number one versus today, which is on 22nd, the quants was slightly difficult as compared to day number one. In fact, it was more lengthy. All the problems were solved in the class for sure. I can. If you have to refer back to your yellow books, about 30% of the problems were there in the basic books for sure. If you were to talk about the more on the data interpretation side, was slightly easy. There were at least two sets which I could solve in like 2 minutes each per question, as compared to the earlier one, which was on day number one, which was pretty difficult as compared to day number two. So DI was the one section where you could find more sitters as compared to the actual day number one. If you talk about verbal ability was moderately difficult, which is my section. I teach verbal ability to you guys in Bombay and Pune. So verbal ability was pretty simple and straightforward, a typical reading comprehension. As I always advise you guys, go step one ahead and pick up GMAT books, because these are the topics which are really good. So people who have done some GMAT practice on reading comprehensions, they must have done a really good job on this. So reading comprehensions, there were 4 reading comprehensions, about 16 questions. A good student would be able to solve about 3 of the reading comprehension, which are easy and straightforward. A typical American topics are the ones which are coming again and again. So I'm not going to be talking about the exact topics. But yes, when we come to logical reasoning, again, 3 sets were fairly simple and easy. Only thing, the name which they were giving was slightly different. So a good student is going to go and forget about the names. Just if it is like a difficult name, you can just, if it is osteoporosis, you can just say osteoporosis is a disease called A. If there's tuberculosis, that disease called B, etc. So redefine the entire section A, B, C, and D. Logical reasoning was fairly simple and easy. So that is one thing which you guys could do in the LR section. So the quants fairly moderately difficult as compared to day number one, but a good student was able to solve around 30 questions for sure. If I talk about the other sections, data interpretation, very easy, simple, straightforward. A good student would have easily cracked it. Verbal ability, one RC was slightly difficult, which could be left. Rest all things were a breather, which anybody could sail through. Logical reasoning also, 3 sets were easy and doable. If you're a good student, you have done your basics, you have done your basic books, you've done old CAT papers again and again. This CAT paper was going very easy. If I have to compare with NMAT, this paper was nothing, guys. This paper, it was one of the easiest CAT. Definitely 16th was easy. So overall, if I have to give you a quick summary, a good student would have attempted somewhere around 70 to 80 questions with an accuracy of about 70 to 80% again. An overall 50 corrects, and overall 50 corrects would definitely sail you an IIM call for sure. But yes, if you have other calls, other exams which are lining up, for example, SNAP as well as NMAT, people who have the rest of the exams lined up, my recommendation, we're starting this weekend with the NMAT and SNAP batches. You can meet me up there. We can discuss your detailed plan, or you can just give us a call on 9820-500-380. It's 9820-500-380. All the best, guys. Just keep working hard. Maybe you can relax for 2 days, which is like to just give it yourself. Go to Lonavala if you're in Bombay, or chill out somewhere in Delhi. But come back for sure. Your next exam is going to be SNAP or NMAT. Focus on GK. We're going to post a couple of videos on GK as well. All the best, guys. Kick some ass. Success awaits. Just be confident. People who are in the next slot at 3 p.m. Still about an hour and a half to go as per my clock. And it's easy. Life is beautiful. All the best. Take care. See you in the centers. Bye. Cheers.